Hi, I am Kameshwari Krishnamurthy. Welcome to class on Active and Passive Voice Part 3. Present continuous. Is, or plus being plus past participle. Is வந்து singular இருக்கு, or வந்து plural இருக்கு. Continuousனாவே ing form இருக்கும். You are making a cake now. இங்க என்ன பண்றோம்? Cake பண்றோம்ல. a cake தான் ஆப்ஜெக்டா இருக்கும். Singular இருக்கிறதால is போடுறோம். Being வந்து continuousனால being. Making இருக்குல்ல being. Made by you. Past continuous. Was, were plus being plus past participle. The police were taking the militants to the prison. இந்த இடத்துல என்ன வரும்? The militants தான் வரும். The militants போட்டணும். இங்கே plural இருக்கிறதால were போடுறோம். Were being taken to prison by the police. இப்போ present perfect tense. Has, have. அது வந்தாவே been போடணும் plus past participle. They have asked me to pay the fine. Me வரதான் me தான் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் நம்மளுக்கு I போட்டுடணும். I வந்தாவே have தான் போடணும். I have been asked to pay the fine by them. Them வந்து they வந்ததால them போடுறோம் நம்ம. இப்போ வந்து ஈஷி இட்டு வந்தாவே has போடணும். I, you, we, they வந்தா have போடணும். Let's see another example on present perfect tense. Has, have plus been plus past participle. Army has defeated the enemy. The enemy தான் வந்து இங்க object. The enemy has been defeated by our army. Enemy வந்து singular இருக்கிறதால as போடுறோம் நம்ம. Past perfect tense. Had plus been plus past participle. Malini had bought a colorful hat for her daughter. என்ன வாங்கினா? A colorful hat வாங்கினா. அதுதான் வந்து object ஆகும். A colorful hat had been bought by Malini for her daughter. I hope the video was useful. Thank you.